Very good afternoon to all of you. Am I audible to all? Okay. So we will today discuss regarding your information theory and coding subject. In that we have completed with LBC codes. Okay. Later on we will simplify some examples on error correction and detection. Okay. And just you can write key regarding your error correction and detection. Hemming craft inequality we have written. RH transpose that day we have completed. What is syndrome we have completed. ठीक है. Generally these Hamming codes are perfect for your single error correction. ठीक है. Single error correction is very easily it can be done by using your linear block codes. Okay, linear block codes are a type of Hamming codes. See students, we have discussed C is equal to DG. D is your data matrix, which is a row. G is a generator matrix. Okay, then we have discussed P matrix, that is parity check matrix. Screen is visible to all. We have discussed this new parameter H, which is related to your receiver performance. Okay, parity check matrix. Then we have discussed syndrome calculator S is equal to RH transpose. How to find H transpose we have seen. Rows and columns will be interchanged. Okay, that is your H transpose matrix. Okay, then we will discuss cyclic codes. So write down heading as cyclic codes. See Hamming code, what happens if we have seen 7,4 codes. सबने बनाया है अपना table, all are having that table, and for any code word generated, like you can take the first code word generated, first is always 0. ठीक है. Second code word, second को अगर मैं किसी third code word से add करती हूँ तो I will get one of the remaining codes. 2 to the power 16 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16 code words were generated. So Hamming code में क्या होता है, it gives you linearity property. That is why it is known as linear block code. So by adding any two codes, third code will be generated. ठीक है. Now what we can do, one more change we can do right now. By adding the codes you can get another code. Now by shifting the code, how, if you can get another code from the list, then it is known as cyclic codes. ठीक है. By cyclically shifting the code word design, by shifting right or by shifting left, any shifting we can do, if we can generate a code word which is already present in the list of code word generated, then it is known as cyclic codes. Okay, it is a subclass of your linear block code. Cyclic code is a subclass of your Hamming codes or your linear block codes, LBC. Okay, so student, please write down this definition of cyclic codes, which is there in your screen. Cyclic codes definition, let C is equal to this. You can write C0, C1 till Cn minus 1. Be a code word in code C. The cyclic shift is shown by sigma C, is defined by if C, this is my code word from C0 to Cn minus 1. Okay, then if I am cyclically shifting this code, then what will happen, just once I am shifting it, and which shift I am performing right shift. You can see that Cn minus 1 is shifted here. We are shifting it to right side. ठीक है. राइट साइड से मूव होके क्या हो जाएगा तुम्हारा, LSB है Cn minus 1. ठीक है. दिस इज द साइक्लिकली शिफ्ट. E is C to the power 1. Then what I am doing again, I am again shifting the thing. So it is a second cyclic shift which will produce C to the power 2, Cn minus 2, Cn minus 1. Okay, just we are shifting, and this code word should be present in the list of the code word generated by that particular code. Then we can say that it is a cyclic code. So you can write down a code C is said to be cyclic code. If the cyclic shift of each code word is also a code word, cyclic codes are a subclass of linear block codes. Is it clear? ठीक है? I will show you this example. See, you can check whether this code C is cyclic or not. In your copy, what you have to do, take this example, C is a linear code. Any cyclic shift of a code word is also a code word. Now, what you have to do, student, take this 101 code. In the chat box, I will write, just see the chat box, okay? 101 is my code word. Okay, I am taking. I am having the list of code words, okay? Then what I will do, I will just do right shift of this 101. So what will you get after doing right shifting of this code? Kya milega, students? What you will get after right shifting? Will you get this? Please check. Or you will get something else. और अगर मैं इसी को left shift करती तो what I will get? Is it right? 101 was my original code. I am just doing right shifting by one digit. Please, student, reply in the chat box. This code I have taken. ठीक है, राइट शिफ्ट, तो क्या होगा, 1 को मैंने शिफ्ट किया है राइट साइड. ठीक है, तो ये 1 कहाँ आ जाएगा, सबसे पहले. ओके, इट विल बी द MSB ऑफ माय डिजिट. देन 1 इज शिफ्टेड, तो 1 शिफ्ट होने के बाद मेरा फर्स्ट डिजिट क्या हो जाएगा, 0. ठीक है, दिस विल बी माय फर्स्ट डिजिट. देन आफ्टर 0 आई एम हैविंग 1. Okay, and at last this 1 was shifted to the right. ठीक है, it is rotated like this. Right shifting होके it will come to the MSB position. So this is my MSB 1, 1 and 0. ठीक है, what I am doing, I am just telling you one example of cyclic codes कि how we can define cyclic codes. In exam they can ask you whether prove this code is a cyclic code or not. So they will provide you a list of codes. In that code, what you will do, you will apply right shifting or left shifting, and then you will check whether that code generated is there in the list or not. If it is in the list, then it is a cyclic code. ठीक है, लीनियर कोड पूछने तो हम क्या करेंगे, लीनियर कोड में I will add these two code, any of the code with other code, I will add these two codes to prove linearity. ठीक है, सो 101 को अगर मैं राइट शिफ्ट करती हूँ स्टूडेंट, तो क्या मिलेगा, 1 की जगह पे 0 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, 0 की जगह पे 1 आ जाएगा, और ये 1 कहाँ जाएगा, जो सबसे लास्ट में लिखा हुआ था ये सबसे फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा. सो आई विल गेट दिस 110 एंड विच इज देयर इन द लिस्ट विच इज ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड इन द कोड वर्ड. सो 110 is there. So this is showing कि 1 of the code I have changed and I have got the other code which is already present in the list. Now I will check for this 011. Please student, what will be the answer? जल्दी बताओ, write down in the chat box. Who will tell first? Right shift से क्या आंसर आएगा? After applying right shift, what will be the answer? 101. Yes, very good, very good. So is it the is this code is there in the generated code list? Yes or no? Yes. Now apply left shift to this code. Now apply left shift. What will be the answer? सबका यही आ रहा है. We are getting 110. So is it that present, already present in the list? Yes, it is present. Okay. So here we can prove that the code C, which is already given you in the question, is a cyclic code. Okay. This is the simple example by which we can get the concept. But how we will simplify this code? The cyclic code. Cyclic codes will be simplified by writing the polynomial equations. Initially, we wrote all the matrix formation in the linear block codes. Here we will have all the equations or words in the form of polynomials. Okay, so this is clear. Definition of cyclic all have written in your copy. Okay, it's clear to all. Moving ahead in this, see, this is the generator polynomial. You can write down, if for a cyclic code C, it holds C equals to generator matrix G of X. Generator matrix नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Generator polynomial. Cyclic codes is a subclass of your linear block codes. So majority things will be changed, as the way to represent this code will be different. So C is less than equal to Gx. Then G is called the generator polynomial for the code C, where G of X is a factor of X to the power n minus 1. How I will define G of X? By writing that it is producing G of X from factors of X of n minus 1. So G of X is a generator polynomial which can be found out from the factors of X to the power n minus 1. Okay, write down next theorem. Suppose C is a cyclic code word of length n with the generator polynomial G of X is equal to G0 plus G1x plus till G r to the X to the power r. Okay, and a generator matrix G for C is, if I am talking about cyclic code का भी तुम generator matrix लिख सकते हो. It will be in this form only. ठीक है, but first we have to write generator polynomial. That polynomial can be converted into matrix form. ठीक है, so this is a generator matrix G for C. C is what? C is a cyclic code output. ठीक है, तो generator matrix G you can write. Always we have to write generator polynomial to simplify this cyclic codes. Okay, students. Then parity check matrices for cyclic code. Parity check matrices, we have to always mention parity check polynomial. It's a check polynomial. Polynomial का equation क्या होगा? H of x is equal to h0 plus h1 of x plus till hk x to the power k. ठीक है, this is my parity check matrices for cyclic code. We will discuss all these things in detail. So in continuation with this, now write down code polynomials. We define a code polynomial C of x as, you can write down equation number 1. C of x is a polynomial of degree n minus 1 over k. क्या हो सकता है? Either it could be 0 or 1, where coefficients C0, C1 till Cn minus 1 are elements of k. Are elements of k. लिख लिया students? So what will be the maximum degree of code C of length n? You can write a code C of length n can be represented as a set of polynomials is a set of polynomials over k of degree at most n minus 1. तो उस पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री क्या होगी? एट मोस्ट इट इज ऑफ n minus 1. ठीक है. सिमिलरली सेम कंसेप्ट विल बी देयर. द पॉलिनोमियल्स आर एडेड एंड मल्टीप्लाइड इन यूजुअल फैशन. ओके, दिस 1 XOR 1 is always 0. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, सेम कंसेप्ट विल रिमेन सेम. Now you can write down, no need to write all these things. Generator polynomial. जनरेटर पॉलिनोमियल का इक्वेशन अभी मैंने बताया था तुमको. You can write down generator polynomial equation from this slide. You can write down g of x is equal to g0 plus g1 of x plus you can put any power g k x to the power k or gn you can write. ठीक है. So moving ahead in this, now students, how we will find the code word. ठीक है. So you can write, if g of x is a polynomial, in your copy you can write, if g of x is a polynomial of degree n minus k. See students, same thing is going on as your linear block codes. Code will be generated by multiplexing the data polynomial with generator polynomial. That means some parity check bits will be added, but all this will be added in cyclic form. So here we will use all the polynomial equations. So you can write, if g of x is a polynomial of degree n minus k, that is a factor of 1 plus x to the power n, then g of x generates and in bracket n comma k cyclic code C, in which the code polynomial C of x for a data word d. See, data will be always given in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, you have to change it into polynomial form. So data word d is equal to d0, d1 till dk minus 1 is generated by C of x is equal to d of x into g of x. C of x is equal to d of x into g of x. ठीक है. And there what we wrote in linear block code, C is equals to, we all know all these things were in your matrix form, d into g. ठीक है ना, matrix form we have wrote C is equal to dg. Clear? Now the d of x, how you will write d of x? It will be addition of all this data with their data polynomials. Okay, so d of x will be equal to, how you have to write it is very, very important and very interesting topics. D of x is equal to d0 plus d1 of x plus till dk minus 1 x to the power k minus 1. What is the length of data word, students? It is of k length, n comma k codes. K is always given to you. ठीक है. Then n is my code word generated. So n is my code word generated. C of x की length क्या होगी? It is n minus 1. ठीक है. Starting from 0, if I am having 7,4, so how many code word will be generated? 7-digit code word will be generated. So here I am having d0 till dk minus 1 xk minus 1, because I am starting it with d0, not with d1 bit. If I am starting with d1 bit, then it will be dk x to the power k. ठीक है. So this is the data polynomial corresponding to the data word given. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, लिख लिया सबने कॉपी में? प्लीज मेंशन इन द चैट बॉक्स if you are having any confusion. We can clear it right now. Yes students, ओके इट्स क्लियर. ठीक है, तो डेटा पॉलिनोमियल लिख लिया सबने. नाउ द पॉलिनोमियल g of x is the generator polynomial. ठीक है, and the resultant cyclic code c is in general not systematic. ठीक है, the polynomial generated code polynomial will never be systematic. Okay, and there is a different way to produce a systematic cyclic code. And you can compare. Okay students, which type of code we have discussed in LBC, please write down in the chat box, or you can mute your mic and then you can speak out. हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था LBC में? Again it was classified ना LBC codes, and C is equal to DG. What it produces? It's not symmetric, it's systematic or non-systematic code. Okay, and in general I have told you C is equal to DG will produce you a systematic code. That means first में data bits, उसके बाद parity check bits, n minus के parity check bits will be added. So that is a systematic data code because first D digits remain always same. Last 3 or 4 or 5 parity check bits are needed to be checked. Clear students? ठीक है? Should I move ahead? Now parity check polynomial. You can write down its definition. Parity check polynomial. Let h of x be a polynomial of degree k and also a factor of 1 plus x to the power n. Same जैसे g of x design किया था, in the same way I have to design h of x. There also in LBC codes we have designed both the matrix. So then h of x is a parity check polynomial of an n comma k cyclic code C. The parity check polynomial h of x and the generating polynomial g of x of C are related by this equation. Always g of x, h of x should be equal to 0. There should be no difference in this. Okay, it is showing you the degree of comparison. 0 mod 1 plus x to the power n. Okay, 0 mod 1 plus x to the power n, or you can say gx hx is equal to 1 plus x to the power n, because here किससे डिफाइन किया हमने h of x? by factor of 1 plus x to the power n. g of x हमने कैसे डिफाइन किया है? by factors of 1 plus x to the power n. So by multiplying these two you will always get the whole list, that is 1 plus x to the power n. So this is the relationship between that. Now syndrome polynomial, very important thing, because to calculate the error at the receiving side, how to detect and correct the errors can be done by using syndrome polynomial. And it's very easy to detect the error, but it's very tough to correct that error. It requires a separate algorithm to correct this errors generated. And most prominent, we can say, if number of errors are very high, then it becomes very complex system. It becomes very difficult to correct all those errors. So how the systems are classified? The systems are classified on the basis that you can correct a single error, you can detect 3 errors, but in that same code you can correct only 1 code. Clear? Likewise, I can say that some have double error correcting codes. They can detect more number, but they can correct very less number of errors, and all the algorithms vary for this error correction process. And error correction detection is easier in LBC codes, tough in your cyclic codes. Okay, so syndrome polynomial में सारी चीजें लिखनी है तुम्हें. Let r of x be the received word polynomial. Then we will simplify the numerical after completing this. So please complete this. Let r of x be the received word polynomial when the code word polynomial c of x was sent. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Let R of x be the received word polynomial. When the code word polynomial C of x was sent, so R of x is equal to Cx plus Ex. And what is Ex, student? It is the error polynomial. It should be 0 when there is no loss of information, when I can say 100% transmission was successful at the reception side. So error polynomial will be 0. Okay? So syndrome polynomial is defined by, it's a polynomial, है ना? तुम डायरेक्ट नहीं लिख सकते हो. हमने वहां क्या लिखा था इन लीनियर ब्लॉक कोड्स? S is equals to, याद है किसी को? How we have defined this? R H transpose. Yes, in this way we have defined our syndrome matrix. Okay, here syndrome polynomial. So Sx is equal to Rx mod Gx. Modular operation will take place between Rx and Gx. So assuming Gx has degree n minus k, then Sx will have a degree less than n minus k and will correspond to a binary words of length n minus k. So Cx is equal to dx into Gx, Sx is equal to Ex mod Gx. Okay, thus the syndrome polynomial is dependent only on the error. Note that if degree E of x is less than degree of G of x, then E of x is equal to Ex mod Gx, and thus Sx is equal to Ex. Directly if this degree is small, ठीक है, तो error polynomial में कैसे find करूंगी? Ex mod Gx, ठीक है, and hence what I can write that Sx is equal to Ex only. This we will see in the numerical how it is possible. बस तुम ये equations लिख लो, then we will move ahead. And you can draw this table, syndrome evaluator table. Write down the heading, which is very important. And what is the weight of the polynomial, student? Syndrome evaluator table, okay? For each correctable E of x, we can compute S of x. It is always known as syndrome evaluator table. In exam, they used to ask. And what is the weight of a polynomial? Same number of non-zero coefficients in the polynomial. Okay, student, weight of the polynomial is the number of non-zero coefficients in the polynomial. This is a syndrome evaluator table. A decoder finds the error polynomial E of x by computing Sx from Rx. ठीक है, Sx from Rx and then finding Sx in the syndrome evaluator table. Why we used to do this? See, students, E of x, 1x, we will write all the possible combinations of error. Okay, then what we will do, I will find S of x by evaluating Rx into Gx or X into Hx. Okay, modulo. Okay, then what I will do, I will find that whatever is the error corresponding to syndrome, it's this 1 mod Gx, X mod Gx. So I will get that error. Error मिल गया है, उसको करेक्ट कैसे करना है वो मुझे इस टेबल से मिल जाएगा. A decoder finds error polynomial by computing Sx from Rx. ये है फॉर्मूला, Sx is equal to Rx mod Gx. इससे हम फाइंड कर लेंगे, ठीक है. Then finding S of x in the syndrome evaluator table, thereby finding the corresponding error. Sx मैंने फाइंड कर लिया है. I will compare this Sx and I will find the error value from this table to here, and that will be the error generated for that received vector polynomial. ठीक है. Now you can draw this. This is your encoder and decoders of cyclic codes. Encoder and decoder. You can just draw this diagram. This is a cyclic encoder. Encoders are designed by using shift registers, modulo 2 adders, and a delay element. ठीक है, this is the M stage shift registers we are using here. These are all my registers. See, practically, theoretically I will calculate, but how to implement these codes practically, ठीक है, in your communication system. So there I will use all digital electronics components. We know how to design a shift register, we know how to design adder, ठीक है, we know how to prepare modulo operator by using digital electronics, digital devices. So I will use here all the digital devices to form the encoder. The cyclic encoders can be implemented by using shift registers. These are my registers, shift registers, ठीक है. A clock is applied, at the same clock all the data will be transferred. These are my generator polynomial values, 1 or 0. Here G0 is always 1. That is a basic condition. Other can be 1 or 0. If it is 1, this link is closed. You can see 1 means short circuit. That means I have to connect a wire. If there is a 0 in any of the generator polynomial, it will be open circuit. You can see here it's open circuit. ठीक है, that this device consists of M registers or delay element. These registers are also known as delay element because they store the data for certain amount of time till you're not applying a next clock. ठीक है, and a clock that controls the shifting of the data contained in the registers. ठीक है, now an M shift register is a shift register with M registers. The output of an M state shift register is a linear combination of the contents of the register and can be described using coefficient G0 to Gm minus 1. Okay students, जो हम mathematical find कर रहे थे उसको हमने through this design we have implemented this. ठीक है, given a fixed generator polynomial g of x of degree n minus k for an n comma k linear cyclic code C, we can build an n minus k plus 1 shift register with generator g of x to implement polynomial encoding of data polynomial d of x. This is very important. You can write these lines in your copy. These lines. Finished? First, we have designed M state shift register. Now, this is your overall feedback shift register diagram. So, encoding and decoding can be performed very easily in your cyclic codes. Finished? What we can generate by using this encoders and decoders, we can generate the parity check polynomials. Okay, with check bits which we are adding, we can generate that by using encoders and decoders. Okay, now generator matrix. Generator matrix word defines you in your linear block codes. Okay, but this can be defined also for your linear cyclic codes. There exist many generator matrices G for linear cyclic codes. Okay, the simplest is the matrix in which the rows are the code words corresponding to the generator polynomial G of x and its first k minus 1 cyclic shifts. So you can write down this generator matrix for linear cyclic codes. There exist. Okay, ऐसा नहीं हो कि एग्जाम में पूछो और तुम कह दो कि generator matrix cannot be defined for cyclic codes. It can be defined, and the way to define is this. Okay, note that the resulting generator matrix G is in general not in the form shown in equation 11.8. You can see 11.8 equation. जो हमने डिफाइन किया था जनरेटर मैट्रिक्स के लिए, दैट इज दिस. ये सबको पता है, जी का इक्वेशन आई के इंटू पी टी. ठीक है, दिस वॉज द इक्वेशन, ऑल ऑफ यू रिमेंबर. ठीक है, बट नाउ दिस इज नॉट द सेम. ठीक है ना, It is not in that form only. It is having different form, but this generator matrix is valid for linear cyclic codes. In order to obtain a generator matrix for systematic cyclic code, we can apply elementary row operations to this matrix. See, this generated matrix will be your non-systematic form. You can convert this non-systematic form into a systematic form. सिस्टमैटिक फॉर्म में क्या होगा, पहले पूरा आई आएगा फिर पी आएगा, या पहले पी आएगा फिर आई आएगा. हियर यू वोंट गेट आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग दिस you won't get identity matrix. So what I will do, I will perform any elementary operations in any of the row to generate identity matrix. ठीक है, जैसे ही I generate हो जाएगा, then it will be converted into systematic cyclic code. Clear, students? Because this is asked in numericals. Define a generator matrix, design a generator matrix for this given generator polynomial. Clear? Should I move ahead? Last 5 minutes to discuss. Finished? Okay, I'm moving ahead. You can write down the heading special cyclic codes. Special cyclic codes. There are variety of these codes depending on the application. So first is your Gole codes. So it is the only 3 error correcting binary perfect code. And the minimum distance of the code is 7. These are the properties of this code. Generally, a short note can be asked. So the Gole code is generated either by the polynomial. Gole code क्या है ये देख लो 23, 12 if an example is asked to you. ठीक है, minimum distance होना चाहिए 7 and 3 error correcting code is your Gole code. Okay, so G1x and the G2x is mentioned for this, and note that 1 plus x to the power 2 3, because 23 is your n, 1 plus x to the power n will generate 1 plus x G1x into G2x. This is the property of Gole code. Okay, they can ask you explain a code which is having 3 error correcting capabilities. There you can mention Gole codes. Next is your BCH code. Bose, Chaudhary, Hockenham codes. So BCH codes are the most efficient error correcting cyclic codes known. BCH codes offer flexibility in the choice of code parameters, that is block length and code rate. Okay, the most common BCH codes are characterized as follow. These characteristics are very, very important to define a BCH code. For any positive integer with m greater than or equal to 3 and t, there exists a binary BCH code with the following parameters, which is having block length n is equal to the power m minus 1. Basic condition m should be greater than or equal to 3. 4 होगा m, तो क्या हो जाएगा 2 to the power 4 minus 1, that is 16 minus 1 is 15. So block length is 15. Clear? Number of data length n minus k less than or equal to mt. ठीक है? Then minimum distance should be d mean greater than or equal to 2t plus 1. T is an integer. Generally we take it as 1. Okay. Note that the Hamming single error correcting codes. Single error correcting code, so t will be always 1. For 2 error correction, t will be 2. So for single error correcting codes can be described as BCH codes with t equals to 1 and n minus k equals to n. This is the property of BCH code. Then Reed-Solomon code. RS codes are an important subclass of non-binary BCH codes. Generally, this is not asked you in the exam. These are some advanced codes which are asked in your master's degree. So non-binary BCH codes are your Reed-Solomon codes. Okay. Next topic is your convolution code, which we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Now you can simplify the numerical part of this. You will just write down the numerical. Just wait, I will show you a good numerical you can do. Write down, student, this numerical 11.13. 11.13. For a 6,3 systematic LBC, the three parity check bits are formed from the equation given here. These are the equation given to you. Please write down. Okay, parity check bits ki equations are given to you. Now what you have to do, you have to find part A. Write down the generator matrix G. Find G. Part B, construct all possible code words. Part C, suppose that the received word is 0101111. Decode this received word. Decode this received word by finding the location of the error and the transmitted data bits. Okay, this you have to do. This is your homework. Any doubts we can discuss in the next class. Then we can discuss about the cyclic codes. ये question लिख लो. Show that the code C is a linear cyclic code. Is a linear cyclic code. ये prove करना है. 11.25 example. Please write down. Finished? Yes, please mention. So we will wind up our class over here. Simplify this numerical. In next class, we will discuss. Any doubt? Chalo, goodbye students. Take care.